Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this cordless vacuum cleaner that I was sent to provide my feedback. So we'll do a quick unboxing here and then show you it in use. So obviously this is the box it comes in. Go ahead and take the parts out of here. Like I mentioned, it is cordless. All right, so got all the parts out of the box here. So go ahead and show them to you. So this is obviously an instruction manual that comes with it. So you'll want to read through this first. But right here you've got your extension nozzle. And then this is your floor head. You can see with the brush on the bottom there. Here is your charging cable. Plugs into the outlet. That plugs into your to the vacuum. This is a cleaning brush to clean your vacuum with. And then this is the crevice nozzle, as you can see right there, to clean. And then here's a wall bracket for hanging this with some hardware. You got a screw in your anchors right here. And then this is your combination nozzle with brush on the end. And then you've got two filters right here. You can see. So for the main part of this, so right here is your dust release button. So you push that, and then this top comes off right here to get all the dust out so you can empty it in the trash. Right there, as you can see, and it just snaps back on. Right here is your battery release button. So there's your battery right there. This is where your charging cable plugs into, is that hole right there. Here's your power button, and then your different modes. You got a battery indicator right here. This does have a protective cover on it, so you want to take that off. Obviously, this is your handle here, and here's where all your tubes and your attachments plug into. So once you got it all together, but that seems pretty simple to use. Seems like a decent cordless vacuum. I will be showing you this in use once I get it together. All right, so got the vacuum out of the box like I showed you. Want to go ahead and show you it in use and put it together. So obviously you got the handle here and the power unit with the battery here. So right here, like I mentioned before, is the dustbin, and this little clip opens this up. So to change your filter, you just unscrew this into the unlock mode. There's the filter there. You've got two other replacements. These are washable, so you can reuse them. And then once you put it in, you just lock it back in place, close the dustbin back, and you're ready to go. So we've got the little tube here. So this just clips in on the front. You can hear it click in. And then you got this piece that will click in the bottom here. If you can see. So we'll go ahead and put that on. So got this going. And then we're all set to go ahead and start using the vacuum. So got some pieces of paper spilled here on the floor that I'll clean up. So we got the power button on the front. I want to turn that on. So this is on. You've got your battery right there. There's your power, your suction power that you can choose. So we'll go ahead and get these up, vacuum them up. As you can see, it's doing a pretty decent job. I'm kind of surprised of picking up the pieces of paper. So it got all the pieces of paper up. And then what's pretty cool is it's got this light in the front of it too. So now you can just hit the power button to turn it off. Hit this release button to switch your attachments out. So you got your other attachment there to use along the edges here, if need be. And it is collecting everything here in the dustbin. So pretty simple. And then you just click the button, push the button to release it, the attachment, and then you can click this other one on if you want to use this attachment too. So pretty little simple, nice little cordless vacuum. Actually, I'm actually kind of impressed that they sent me to provide my feedback. So that's it.